and I use the hospital a lot. So please, those of you who went to vote for NDC in December, please go on your knees and pray for the nation, our health sector. Things are not looking too good. In 1 month, to bring back all the hospitals together under a new name for a software that is called GIMS. GIMS. So instead of LIMS, they have done GIMS. All because Obi person this kakeke. Oh, Bibi say, just know say Obi person this kakeke. Esa say contract no, enyo mu na sign yenti. Omaba de say omuso dibi. Enti they have to change it by force and blah blah blah. Now the GIMS is not working well. Anyone who they have tried piloting, and anyone who has used the GIMS will tell you, say, you have ordered a smartphone from China. Yeah. Ultimately, say we a fake pa. Almost every now and then, network down. All those are happening in our hospitals as we are speaking. Now, Mita Akandoh is left with just 1 week with the deadline you have given us. Deadline Aomaya no. Say you were going to within 6 weeks bring all the teaching hospitals and regional hospitals under GIMS for them to go back to digital system. I can't 1 week. And most of the hospitals, nothing is happening yet. No show. No show. Until when I hear people say government is working, I ask myself, are these people in Ghana? Government is working on what? They'll tell you dollar, city, dollar. And the people who will tell you dollar, city, they are hungry. They wake up and they eat once in a day under this government. Watch them. Most of them who come, government is working. Most of them, they have not even given them appointment. Most of the food soldiers or NDC food soldiers, they have not gotten an appointment. They are hungry. They will do 001 or 010 or 100 in their own government. But they will get 5 cities and come, buy data and come. Government is working. Pains 38%. Pains 38%. That is the song they know. That is their chorus. They sing it every day. 38%. 38%. They refuse to learn. So Akandoh, our health sector, they say, I am Basa. I don't even remember the last time I saw a drone deliver anything like the zipline drone. I don't remember the last time I saw it deliver any blood product or any product to the hospital. And I use the hospital a lot. So please, those of you who went to vote for NDC in December, please go on your knees and pray for the nation, our health sector. Things are not looking too good.
Akandoh goes into hiding after light wave exposes lies. Asem we maka some akasa menka ho asem biem e wa ha maka kan menka ho asem biem enti ose o ma 1 month ne be so next 2 weeks okay enti e twen so say after 1 month no your hospitals ni nyina ye be digitalizing ni biem enti ye twen but asem the informer e dia ba no Akandoh no health minister Kwabena Minta Akandoh ene informer say wadwane akotete kura after say light wave for kokan kan nsem wo parliament na light wave for so ba na o say ne papa yenkan kirewo say unim say former health minister Dr. Okuboya kan say osusu say contract na the Republic of Ghana any light wave for one either say minister no on kai and I say okay no on tiasie.
Yeah, but even if what kind as I want tiasie, you had a predecessor. I will know and or share yema Sajumedi in your So the best is for us to go back to the predecessor and ask questions
even
about
their technical,
of course,
their technical advices, their technical people who were ministry, of course, they were involved in
the drafting of the contract. So if even you own person, that's what I'm saying. Some people are technical directors, no more ministries, no. But more than any minister, because if even there is something in the handing over note, Nasa won't tiasia. What you do is to call the minister and then find out in Chiremubi the two of you must meet. Because whatever it is that you're doing, the Awuye Biano is in the interest, and as it should be in the interest of the people of the Republic of Ghana. It should not be to score political points. Say we buy and you see the reason why a lot of, I'm saying for the past 2 months, you realize that some NDC folks are eating. I mean, Martin Tessia to form the Mtechrema. An example is the National Cathedral. When there was a whole expose about the National Cathedral. An example is a year kwakoto 2 jets for the president. There was a whole expose about the
lithium.
Lithium deal.
It was 13%.
13%.
The state was going to benefit.
Yeah, 13%.
Royalties of 13%.
Yes.
And the new one, the then minority said they be. In fact, Ghana deserve 100%. And they were parliament 5%.
Happy FM.
Yanga say
98.9.
Yanka say jiji.
Yanga say jiji.
SML GRA $500 million deal of Riata 7 others charged with 78 counts. We OSP and a day and some way about Chief Justice and a say you or say the judicial manipulation by politicians over. And we a good news pa. City stability must not be left on BOG alone. We a governor of the bank, Dr. Johnson, Isiama Eneka sa and some zoom lie on the end there. Ya bosso did that.
I know the Dr. Johnson Pandit Isiama Eka many because of course they'll be doing their part.
Yeah.
But the other part has also got to do with Yenomwa Yewujumo Tunton.
Yes.
Another part has got to do with government. Obviously, we will be productive. We will be productive more than Another thing will be governments to put in a policy, sir. A bit I said people will not repatriate 100% of their profits outside of the country. Another thing will be on government to seal the loopholes, sir. Yefaso edi sika tabri sika puduo pa de kwamon ne edi kokotoa yensan first kan nye de
anase omo a edi sika ese
ekoto niema
aba
sika no
omo beje no enye so niema no omo de ba. I saw a video of finance minister on I think UTV on Saturday I think so na all can say this loopholes no investigation omo ye wo ho no enye investigation o se sika na enko politicians ho e could crofo botomu a de omo ya no ni nyina ka ho bi e na be ma sidi no agina ne na so bra ne
enra owura eye Joseph me refer di ne crisis here but the papa wono na convener Joseph Bediako.
Yes.
Convener for a year movement for truth and accountability. But tanaha obekaya about a year ago yene tena pa ho adabenso di nkoma na oka nsem eniema koso ewo Ghana Revenue Authority. There were letters and a report to that effect. Say as of that time na sika yahwere as a result of number 1 under declaration any number 2 sika manfo binum di from emu de kwama no ne se omo kwa akokra niema se sika na mabio niema no so anye den e mabio no enya de ketwa. So there was an admission at a point in time, but unim said the Ghana no e ba e better ho ayenhwe ha. I understand said the Ministry of Finance omo ye mu hwehwemu and whatever comes out of it yina idea ni krutwa wi be di akire ni aka ho nsem saa eye dream kankan ene proye ne krono no and sometimes odi we ni nyina be kwa share politicians because am on your phone no mo ye enyom nko now that's $1 billion. Do we understand what that money is?
That's $1 billion.
Yes. The Accra Times, the Bokrat and the Benime now pay post-budget workshop will equip MPs. Speaker Bagbe no this asem we are beyond criticism or sahene afenyo marking kratafe tosu enum obetimi ejabi akenkan Professor Frimpong Boating writes NPP executives hide behind a spineless neck decision to destroy the party. Eno ewaha NPA marks 20th anniversary. Ne no amikofa MPA nimu ho. Na menama nimu ho na mehu se CUs ahodo beye baako enum no mu nyina omu mfoni egu bana kese ba akoso no matro 20th anniversary no e won chen e na mehu eye owura Dr. Mustafa Hamid no nso ni mfoni tare hom na hey ayazemo
Madam for MP Abbas Tasinti.
Tasunti.
Yes. Me feeling it pa. Or ya me boss back up. Me ne boss team nyina ya boss eno no. Yeah.
Abbas utia we de nyam nam kan Prince Obapo kwa him Brown. Aye. Na me nim say Timo nso your boss because you know class back on the
until soon my boss. The custodian 50% of 2025 budget target not achieved. We Dr. Gideon Buakon Enra debating no. Debate
net on the floor of Parliament.
Oh, jai.
Mamia se sama adwene se me pese me koye kakra bia be for 2 terms bi na.
You see? Makasa nyina enye ebeko hobi.
No, because you see I the way some of these enema we are so to shape the understanding of what is going on the floor of Parliament, to shape policy.
Yes.
No boa.
Yes.
No boa.
Diaspora MPP delegate threaten legal action over proxy voting rights. Intianonso ensemo ewaha. MIIF fails to answer RTR request on 2024 finances. Intianonso ewaha. Ubehu Miss Justina
Monfanya she ye can bread and butter issues ye can come kinkena sesa na mukano do krono nchinam ene ho asem ne ye kan ene meku enti do krono boy den agberima boy den kokonte boy den abuja ene aye kasai ye see inflation ati abafam aba bedu your friend is saying 8%. Now mo be kan early this year da sebrenom last year ye beko ye kipi enema bi prices. And this year ena da sebre say e ba na da so obehwe ense Eeeii MAHAMA omo tete ne masnam so da sebre da bi enko na me efi se mani fi ye kura no me hu se ye to ne mam me san te so akufo ado baaye ene ye to yi fu mu ne ye san te so ye to light bill ye san te so ye theatre lorry fare so after apart from that no me hu se bi se bi. And we are not even calling on NDC for say amontene maso. All that we are saying is say omo de omo ba omo ma enema no enyira ba bi ejina na wa bra enkosoro. Abuja NPP kofo efiri aban mu no. Na dokono 30 pesos and 20 pesos. NDC e ba ya omo kono. Omo jano 3 cedis and 2 cedis. From 30 pesos and 20 pesos in 2008, and NPP DJ NDC for NDC AFI Abemu 2016 after 8 years no. Now we're moving from 20 pesos and 30 pesos at the Dokron Ako 2 cedis and 3 cedis. And Akufo-Addo ebefa ne ba umia from 2017 to 2024 and Awodo Dokron bo Eko 5 cedis. Na Eeeii MAHAMA se onti bida ena make say NDC ba ye no bosomi a etoso eduba akumu ne ewi bosomi eduba akun emu ne ewi ena make say dokrombo akwakodu 7 Ghana cedis dokro ana NDC for say ne boy den no akwakodu 7 Ghana cedis mo amoto dokromu nim enya entro ena mitwa eyadi nene de aden enya entro na mitwa because dokro no mo na moto enti munim ebo a ye de to no munim enti ana NDC ba ye no less than 10 months because 11 months no nyankwa wie enti 10 months no dokro bo afri 5 cedis equal 7 Ghana cedis enti we be ka kire me say mo amon ye adwuma no pacho munye calculation no na mo fan send me send people be fa dokro 2 cedis and 3 cedis in 2017 17 Emma Nija and 5 series 2018 na partial percentage increment no saying Kofo Abere so be found 20 pesos 30 pesos at the back 2 series 3 series partial percentage increment na saying and na Eeeii MAHAMA buy in 10 months be found from 5 series to 7 series partial percentage increment no and also at the same we are monfa nominal figures no enka na monfa ensende emo bia na da say dollar bo akofam emo bia na da say inflation akofam Eeeii MAHAMA eka kire say yenka dokoro ne nchina masam and the affect the ordinary Ghanaian enti ne dokoro ne nchina asam ne yeka baby out here dokoro to ne sen baby out here nchina moto ne sen eno ho asam na no pay me ne eka penifo say wotwa kontompo ma safo ira wo da abonten eti NDC for ewo opposition no omo de banchimore ene ye politics yenka ene major project bi MPPA ni omo de ye politics na banchi boy den kokonte boy den ene we boy no eno na no pay yeka so be fa do kro 5 series na in 10 months o de call 7 series abai papa no ena ukoni abobanku 5 series obetimi amene banku 5 series no ato yam ukoni abomutuo 5 series obetimi amene e de ato yam anka aduane ane bo nya din o Ghana kra na ekokonte ene ekokonte ye ntimi nto kokonte face the wall and go to the carpet ene ye ntimi nto na me nkonnam kra so ma me misa no pay about 7:22 me the 8 minutes air course na that's really go don no ma be come ho baby a wa no pay atimi ka no dokono oto ne sen endro anajo oto dokono oto ne sen be honest oto dokono oto ne sen umpotem ye bodokono ye bo ne sen na dokono size na ne ton no in 2024 no ene size no ekosoro ne kase no ay kase